I'm a top nine mountain, not a mountain and mountain, like Geurutee mountain, you know what? Every people will come here, just enjoy it. Not only just line, but also breakfast every morning. Imagine that. This places or this view like United States, Colorado, United States America. Imagine that this is very most similar like Sabang Island. Imagine that every year a lot of rain around the world will come in my country like Aceh province after tsunami disaster in Aceh at the time 2004 at the time. A lot of people was die in tsunami disaster. Almost 250 or 1,200 people was died at the time. But after 12 years ago, tsunami disaster was gone. But every rebuilding was built like mosques, schools, hosts, everything. But imagine that this is very nice location. Not only people but also everybody was came here because just enjoy, but just drink coffee every morning. Not only every morning, but also every afternoon. If you have a time, please come to visit us because I'm not guiding you. I'm tourist guide, and then I would like to invite you every places. That in Banda, in a great Aceh, and then every location like very awesome places. All right, if you have a time, don't forget calling me. I would like give you a call. Don't forget that I'm waiting for you. All right, bye bye, tata for now.